I would like to open this discussion and very briefly inform the panelists that we propose to have largely three broad themes under which we propose to take forward. First would be the macroeconomic picture associated with the pandemic, related to the health sector. We then propose to move on to the health sector specific vaccines and PPPs that are associated with the pandemic, followed finally by the futuristic role that you all perceive what would be the way forward.
The WHO Director General who said test, test and test, and the adage goes that test, track and isolate or treat. So India has faltered somewhere in between. When we were all ready to test, I can tell you there may have been any shortage of anything in India, but there was no shortage of testing labs, I can assure you that. And somewhere down the line, we have faltered. We were not allowed to test as many as we could to our capacity.
Paying homage to my brethren who lost their lives to COVID. Thank you very much, SRCC, for expressing your deep appreciation of what they have done. But believe me that they would not have been able to do what they did were it not for their colleagues, that is the nurses, the paramedics, are the number one in hospitals. They are won by communities, they are won by individuals. I think Yuval Hariri was the most expressive of the lot when he said that the real antidote to epidemics is cooperation, and the strongest of all defenses against the pathogens which cause these epidemics is information. You are doing your part in the information providing through webinars of this nature, so thank you again.
Some of us forgot about a migrant labor. They've faced torture for these last 3 months. Till those that wanted to go back home were able to go back. Had they been allowed to go back right in the beginning, not one of them was infected. Whereas now when they went 3 months later, they have taken some degree of infection to areas which would never have had infection otherwise.
Think about this way. If Virat Kohli as a batsman, as a captain, starts blaming only bowlers for the, why we haven't won match. He's a captain. So when you're a government official, head of the state, head of the country, minister, you're representing public as well as private sector. What we need is a mature, balanced leadership which gets all the stakeholders together, because we either win as a nation or we lose as a nation.
Very well said. As economies grow and emerge, we have to move away from roti, kapda and makan and include aspects such as health,